Hey friends, it's Tracy. I'm back again with another Whimsy Wednesday, painting up a cute little snowman kit. Guys, this kit is brand new at the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. I just got it in the mail and I had to paint it up. So cute. It was perfect timing because I'm celebrating Christmas in July, winter in July, because it is 100-degree heat here in Texas. And so I needed some cooling off. Guys, this is something that I shared last evening. I had painted it up and had given y'all a sneaky peek on my post tab, on my community tab on YouTube. And I said, hey guys, this is what I did. And I promised y'all that I would have the tutorial soon. Guys, this kit is available via my affiliate link below in the description box. And what an affiliate does is, guys, that helps out my family. I am only going to share quality products that I use myself. And so if you shop via my affiliate link, that means that you're kind of ordering from me. And so I am so happy to have an outlet for I am doing some painting. Y'all love it. And I wanted to have an outlet for y'all to purchase the things as well. And so then you can come back here and paint along with me. Guys, this little snowman is full of primitive and winter whimsy. He is cut from a 1/4-inch birch wood, very lightweight, perfect for little shelf sitters, or you can put them in like holiday homespun vignettes. You can also use them as door hangers. You don't have to use the little stand that comes with it, but it's perfect to keep out all winter long. Snowmen are not for Christmas. They are for all winter long. I will have all of the paint colors listed in the description box below. Just look underneath the title and click the more, and then you can get all of the paint colors. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. For the rustic touches, what I did is for the pieces, I put on some antique wax. This is by Waverly, and I just put that on with a baby wipe, all of those pieces. Then I'm going to put on some candle wax. I just have a taper candle here, or a tea light would work best too. Just put some of that on because I was going to use the chippy technique, but I got more of the chippy technique by using my gator sander versus my paint scraper. And so for the snowman, I used Fluff white paint. Again, all of the paint colors will be listed in the description box below, and so you can check those for easy reference. So you may have noticed that I didn't paint up a little red bird, because once I finished up my little primitive snowman here, I decided to add him last because I love the way that the little face turned out. I love the way he was looking up, and I decided to add a little bird. So this is just one that I had on hand, but I reached out to Christina and asked her if she had a red cardinal that she can include with the kit. She said absolutely. So guys, look forward to that. If you order this kit from the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina, you will get a red cardinal so that you can include it on your little primitive snowman as well. Thank you, Christina. So about here is when I decided that I wanted to add a little bird. So I got these, like this set from the spring section at Hobby Lobby, and just painted it up red. I know it's not a cardinal per se, but I just painted it up as a red bird. And then that's when I reached out to Christina and asked her if she had a red cardinal that she could include with the kit. She said absolutely. So look for that if you order this kit. And guys, I so appreciate all of your orders. Guys, y'all are really loving these hand painted DIY kits that you can order. Christina has free shipping that she will ship it to you. And so I am going to continue as long as I can to bring you some DIY inspiration for these kits. So check out the playlist because I will have it linked at the end of the video as well as in the description box of all of the kits that I have done so far.